Today is Friday, April 10th.
Hey, thanks Walt for updating us on the day. Happy Friday. We're just out on a walk right now. Announcements, remember food drop-offs are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Details in the description. Tonight we're gonna make a chicken noodle soup using the whole roaster chicken. So I'll update that with the recipe. You guys can try and follow that if you want to. Let us know how it's going. Let us know how these recipes are working out in the comments. Remember, if you want to get notifications, hit that follow button, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the other side of the weekend. Have a good day, Oneonta. So this is our makeshift carbonara. I didn't have the necessary meat, so this is what it's going to be instead. We're using these ruffled noodles. We've got about 1.5 pounds here. And it's going back into the pasta water that's been transferred into the cast iron with some of the grease left over from, ended up using mild Italian sausage. And as that starts to soak some of that up, we take some of the pasta water, we add that to our egg mixture with Parmesan. We whisk this together. And we're gonna pour this into the noodles. And then we're gonna start to combine this. And once this fully combines, the cheese and egg mixture is completely melted and consistent, we'll add back in the pasta to the mix. And that's our makeshift carbonara. Pretty simple. Eggs, Parmesan cheese, pasta, and something like a bacon, if you have it, is gonna make do.